What's up, guys? I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here we have a roadside assistance kit from 1AAuto.com. Has a nice reflective triangle on the back side of the kit so you can place it in case you break down. And then we're gonna unzip the package and we open it up, and there's some jumper cables. If your car won't start, you can jump start your car. We have these tow straps. You can hook it up to another car and try to tow your vehicle. We also have an ice scraper. Comes with some gloves, which are handy if you're changing tires and stuff. There's a bungee cord, pair of pliers, screwdriver that changes from a Phillips head to a straight head. We have some wire ties, electrical tape. This side, there is some first aid bandages and stuff. A rain poncho, which is nice if it's raining out. Flashlight, which also comes with the 2 AA batteries. A cutter, a blade, and then also a tire pressure gauge. Get yours at 1AAuto.com and you'll be ready to rock and roll.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.